You know, the grilled cheese sandwich sure has come a long way from when it was first introduced back in the early 20s. Its popularity soared during the Great Depression when it became the go-to, budget-friendly way to feed a family. These days, besides seeing it on every kid's menu, you can also find dressed-up versions of it in some of the country's fanciest restaurants. So let me share one with you that's both budget-friendly and very impressive. We begin by piling sourdough or Italian bread with a couple of slices of provolone cheese, some roasted red pepper, and a few slices of salami. Next, we sprinkle this with some garlic powder and oregano. Place the tops on and brush both sides with olive oil. Then, just like any other grilled cheese, we cook these on a griddle or in a skillet. You'll know they're done when they're golden on both sides and the cheese is all melty. It may sound simple, but when you taste your Italian favorites in this ooey gooey sandwich, you're gonna fall in love. To get your hands on the recipe for our Italian Antipasto grilled cheese, all you have to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a delicioso way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.